There's nothing new under the sun. I'm about to show you what that means. Okay, if you've been in the big cities, you've seen the car towers. Look at this, back in the old days. I'll be daggone. What? Do you see that? Oh, it gets even better. So there is nothing new under the sun. Sorry if I'm wiggling around. But of course, I still haven't started using my vlogging camera. Okay, so there's the old-timey one. Look at this. You see this? And now look, his car is going to come down from the car vending machine. I'll be damned. Wait, this car has got tricks. Watch this. Okay, so you can see that parallel parking back in the old days. Here he comes, here comes Speed Racer. He's a demon on wheels. He's a demon and look at that. Y'all see that? Parallel parking. Automatic parallel parking. We got mad tricks, y'all. Okay, he's about to just knock some people over for the fun of it. Look at that. Transformers, more than meets the eyes. Transformers, robots in disguise. Look, this is crazy.